Asante Kotoko de mohom komo ya ekusu ayedi a yenwie yi ene yes have a so occupying stand with Selbert na ene no say black sheriff nyom foforo de ababa say look at the message not the messenger nka messenger ne de nka ono so no nka nsem kakra won ho which is coach Opeele but ya to just say coach Ogum enjai Kotoko team ne nto no nko na say coach Ogum should resign no eye opanyina ye frɛ no coach Opeele so de na no ato ye be digest ti asɛm no e wo dwumadie so na ye decide on say ye ofua no so ana ofua no so na ye hwɛ angle bi anti players be jom de IMC be jom de Ogum be gene de fie bia be gene de Kotoko nsiesie ne Kotoko mpuntu ntie nda ye ni bre e be ko ama Kotoko a egu ye nyina ni mu ase no ene o ma asesa this porcupine stand with Selbert my name and my bonnet the actual on the channel the din am the amount don't forget to subscribe to the channel your new baby channel my subscribe mommy na enti me mbo am adwumadi no enkore no pay de kuku ye de bra hyehyehye ye nyi bi mfiri mfa ye de nka ho ye be ne kama na yasom esopem ye ba sisia. Now, let's put this on record. Now, intimidating comedy. Listen, Obi and time Coach Ogum. That's one. And two, Obi any agenda against Coach Ogum. Personally, if Coach Ogum but at the moment we are addressing the performance of the man, not the man. You know, nipa ne modembo enye nipa ne bra obo anani suban ana nipa na nkasa ne nipadua na emo ne modemba oda na di Kotoko ne ka ho asa. Coach Opeele say Ogum resign. Now let's look at something. Ebra kura Kotoko so every Ogum amana be Kotoko coach what in same bi to the say me didi nkomo na nkomo na me di ye de nipa ni nyina se wo na abetimi adwumadi. What it means that there should be a certain level of achievement that Coach Ogumenya. Amani penya ni mujidie se opanyini waye we nti no. Si e ma no kwan ama na Kotoko adwuma obetimi aye. And then ana Coach Ogumenya. If you can manage wafa, ehon no yetete nkwala ton. Now they were the third on the league, a potential of a good manager. And on the Kotoko are taking the courage and that boldness. And I am going to say, Kotoko before bringing on Ogum, let's look at the coaches and Kotoko no Mayejuma. Maso Kunudu, a former Ghana Premier League winner, and a former Blasters coach. Johnson Smith will take you on interim basis. Jumana Johnson Smith ayo Karela. One another dear we see Taylor Solomon Safi Taylor Masoba kon Abdul Ganiyu, Isaac Queen mo. Sadiq Alasa mo jine finfio Jean Vita that a year Karela team na no mi obi e bo no bi e won popo no Wenya Patrick ye bo am left back on Empem da Costa mo jine chire no one Ganiyu na a year Johnson Smith na yes edwuma o de mo call the NC competition final tier 1 final o be ye Kotoko interim and na Kotoko fan Mariano Barreto I'm not a former Blasters coach. So the last 3 coaches, no level experience was so 10 Ogum. But the management saw potential in Ogum on confirm by or the Magic League. In the dance, dear Opeele did tell Pemsono. Nay, you do me dear, you nip papine. You do me dear, why ya walk poor. And when the mamma for you, which dear man now. And because you did say Ubetinya ye. Ni antatawo ya nchechire wonse ngu echi ya mawo de wo pa ebe hawo enti ya mawo de open so dina kachire nyina se coach munja no because ansane ebe ka se coach munja no ni ogide si eja wa obeye de ye ama nkuni bi esefata aba But if you are looking at the performance now, money more way na buy out that they go be no din actually open so say yam fa adwuma ne ma as head coach of Asante Kotoko. Enti eye money ye wo ho asem enye wo nipadua no enti obi tan ogun obi ni agenda tia no if he was winning like time no winning in December and here nkase empam no when he's getting the job done he is not getting the job done. Enunti ye ne ono ni nipo ni money mono e wa asem. Now let's do this. Ogumaba abotre any gidie a ye nyade ma coach titafo nya because Didi Dramani won the league twice and won an FA Cup. David Duncan maybe take over Kotoko. But when you a slow start, they were fired. When you a slow start, they were fired. But Ogum had a slow start and he was not fired because Kotoko first game draw against Heart of Lions, second game lose against Belgium, third game draw against Karela. This kind of results can lead to the sacking of a coach. So about 2 home games for Babara. Now went to me, it means also the Pabu coach of Kotoko. But still, the narrative was that rebuilding. The narrative was Kotoko started preseason term. So I'm out for now, and I will share Carlisle and share Diana. And the Tefaso draw nations, draw Bechim, lose 3-2. So even in that state, no one was calling for your head because we still felt that early days yet. And a Nyoma Kenny and other could cover that second. And yes, some more you praising, or man, you crucify him. Damn Reno, then to make the any so bit and Sam now way. Now then, a coach Opeele or say, a dear what yama and the bra to carbon. And said Fatasa one out this said was any backup. And so we shed the cosona. Coach Opeele say the coach clearly don't have answers to the defeat now. Kotoko go through no only answers. And the question will be that our answers are now because almost the entire team, if I were used to play here. Formation names the coach bet me about 3 back, 5 back, 4 back, about 4-4-2, 4-3-3, 5 a year, 3-2, 3-5-2. Any possible system with different players playing different roles. Play about defensive midfield against Karela FA Cup, about right center back, about a right center back in a 3-back system. Only about 4 and 5. Kote about right wing back, about right back. Peter Bobby. Just you know, there have been changes in the positions, in the systems, in the roles of the players, and it's still not grinding results. Then a check. What are we doing at the training grounds? Are they fixing the problems, no, to turn things around? Into coach Opeele say, and was yelling 7 fatal. Then was yellow, and you can say twice so Inti chaso na po baby tira. Assembly nyina no one obie no what time ogu. Obie no wa na ni gise Kotoko belusu. Obie no wa obeti hayi a obo mpa ese Kotoko nkobo match lusu but say Kotoko na du level a. Listen. Be Kotoko baba era obi suru club. Kotoko Dewu, check the records of Kotoko at Dewu. Yes, in recent time, na Kotoko Timiko Kulusubi, but Dewu ye grounds are. A minimum ye dima Kotoko, Moko Dim Kunim Sanyoma. Even Ogum first coming, it got to a time things were difficult for Kotoko. Kotoko share Legon cities. So internalize with Dewu. Sam Martin Frank Imbele and Tuga, a kubo 2 goals no. Free ho, was starting now, Kotoko starting 11 no. So Uremwa, what the Twasokoji Boki no. The way grounds back a tight started the revival of Asante Kotoko in difficult moments. Mama Frank Bele to that. Because Kotoko started in some of watching Ogum first coming on an elbow. And I'm figgy. And some later it took a starting both 2 goals for the Wu. So it's not about the state of the pitch. From the days of the Wu youngsters, the bar dreams and Kasampono. any entire lies Lagos cities obi a no match be ko obi an Kotoko ba ho a eya na start Kotoko nku. So ahead of this game, there were others that believed that they will start the revival process of Kotoko. Yet they are questionable at jail. They took one GDN. They say Kotoko took one by way. You can boldly predict, say, Kotoko's best is a draw. So that kind of prediction, yema became swatrem. Say Kotoko ni bohuma first, not 4, 5, 3. Now best baba around him say me bet saying na akọ. A me mfa nim guase yakọ ni say no. Kotoko ni mumu be ba. Ne mpa e boni say na me mbo an ni ntimi wini wan na be film. Because the whole of this season at the Baba has Sports Stadium in home matches has 3 near away, but in home matches Kotoko share 3 goals. And Kotoko has not beaten any opponent this season at the Baba by a 2-goal margin. That is the stater head coach under you Ogum Resignation-Hot. And to say no, the say no, there will be indeed 40 years and above. Ye ben be intra 40. It ya ni ebisa say Kotoko ni won fie bibiri won anim a nyoma asisi a ye hu. Mo a mo say ye nkan ya no ntum no. Ye ebisa mo. Efri si e take Kotoko no ma hu bibi say da na. Say team na bon 9 matches a win one. Mo hu bi da na mo nkan kire ye. Mo nkan kire ye. League ni call 18 clubs no. Season win kwanye, but it's the season that Kotoko lose most matches. So forget about Masokunu Johnson Smith Barreto. Even that season, we see Kotoko the second. Omen lose matches 10. Even last season, and your man no. Kotoko yusu eye Zebo. Yusu Gazali no. Omen lose 8 matches. And they yusu 11. Yenyen match day 30. So if me criticize Zebo, I remember having a lot of argument with the old management. Say, "Omo ye mistake in appointing Zebo." Criticizing Zebo bonechi ya onwa middle of the season. No man say coach wo all of us I see coach call. Na so be take over onim Ghana league no, onim players no. He needed time to adapt him kono. Ye bonechi. Now what playing body we ankasa no. Listen to the Zebo and Ogum story. At the time I got called Pamo Zebo, he was performing better than the Ogum. Okay. Zebo had a lot of excuses. There was language barrier. Non take English. 2 years were concentrate. Attack. Sahara not kick on bench. Ghana league you will be there. So he was new to the rhythm of the league. Last season, look at the number of times officiating Chichiri Kotoko Muniza. Chichiri Nzebu Nechi. Into new players, new league, new language. And Emre Cross Sankra na Zebu Nyai. Oshisha Nyoma we no Kobo Africa. Onumpono, he was fired. Ogum, you've managed this team. There were players and there are players and you've worked with them over this team. You stayed home a year and you were also part of the Black Galaxies. So you were still watching the league. And one decided to enter the league, you know. And you had a chance to sign your own players to beef up the squad. But his resource was better. But he won't be cancer or not him come. It's a see a castle also one yard. Qua, and yet time. Zebo no be anka time zebo. Obi anka time zebo. So it comes back to performance on the field. You are not grinding resource. You are not doing things that MMOBNGD said the results will change. You are not doing things that will make people believe the results will improve. All that you are doing, share or part, and so you said things is getting bad. And something must happen. Into because of Ogum on time. Because of Ogum on agenda. Because of Ogum on what this country baby was on program. So now results no, of course we're parking. He must go. he must go. Something must change. And clearly, from all indications, we need answers to the problem. I agree with Coach Opeele. I agree with Coach Opeele. The disgrace is too much. If a coach also a principal, a Asante Kotoko, any management, Nana ya meeting, your man also near humanity. So a principal, they say in Koyi against dreams, you started 8 of the players you signed. Who is 2-0. Who are principal, pass, semi, Uma Yeji say coach with on town, MOB in Kikan, someone train, will be in the sea, no, who was our principal, no, now was our conscience, no. Now she yaw na chita fo ni di no na wo na wo dan no a wo still want me sesa me ma wo be change one kasa. I'm starting to doubt. The doubt passes our time na nesu go more principle na nya principle. Na politics na wo ye. I don't want to believe that that is what happened. But the only me says our time na politics na wo ye. Na nya anything of principle ya. It is son. Dama that's all I be pay baby akọ. Because they say you know Kotoko down for the Nibre no more 1 year 2 times. The last 3 home matches back or car. The porters you said boom. 2 cases which are cases of floating bats. 1 year. The 4th time no. Now we are sempa against Samates. Need to move and do the right. Now make have a good morning. Bye bye.